Welcome back, y'all. This is another DIY bedroom makeover, just some simple peel and stick wallpaper again. I always start by wiping down any surfaces I'm going to be applying the wallpaper to. The cleaner I'm using is just one of my homemade cleaners I made with essential oils, water, and a natural cleaning solution. It works great on any surface. Next, I removed the hardware from the bed frame. This was super easy, nothing difficult to do. It made sense because of where the hardware sits. If you don't remove it, there's a small gap where you would still see some of the original wall. I really wanted to make our bedroom nice and homey and perfect for us, so it only made sense to do the extra steps to make sure it looked great. I did use the spray adhesive again with the wallpaper just because of the texture of the wall, and I wanted to make sure that it wouldn't fall off. I did get the adhesive and this wallpaper from Walmart. I'll make sure to put the link below in the description box. I cut this wallpaper into pieces to apply instead of one long piece, which was just the easiest option because of the small space by the head of the bed. My husband probably would not have been able to fit underneath here to help. Fortunately, this wallpaper wasn't like the one in the bathroom. If you watched my bathroom makeover video, I started cutting that wallpaper into pieces and trying to fit it together, but because of the pattern, it was really difficult and not the best option. But like I said, fortunately, with this leaf pattern wallpaper, it worked out great. And even if the leaves didn't match up perfectly, it was a pretty busy and full pattern, so you barely notice. I just love these little moments when the kids jump in. It's seriously the cutest. Anyways, on to the upper part of the wall for the leaf wallpaper. Before we started doing the master bedroom makeover, we played around with the wallpaper, holding it up, trying to see where to put everything. You'll see later in this video, we added some shiplap by the windows. Anyways, so we decided the leaf wallpaper looked good by the headboard, and then we wanted to frame the outside too. It ended up looking so good. Kind of feels like we're in a jungle rainforest. It also adds that plant outdoor feel since we don't have many plants in the RV and I can't keep them alive anyways. Next, on to the Faux Shiplap wallpaper. We found this at Walmart too. I'll make sure to add the link in the description box below. This ended up looking so good and was a great contrast to the green leaves, and who doesn't love a white shiplap? For the most part, this was pretty simple except for the rounded corners around the window. Obviously, anything that's not a straight line is going to be difficult, but it was doable and it didn't take too long. Also, a little side note, make sure you open any windows that are around when using the spray adhesive for the wallpaper. It can get pretty smelly, and you obviously don't want to be inhaling all those chemicals. Thank you all so much for watching again and following along with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and follow us over on Instagram. And we will see you again next Wednesday.